Why your social media strategy doesn't get any engagement. There are 4.59 billion users on social media according to Statista. But why isn't your strategy getting any engagement? Reason 1. Your content isn't optimized. Not every strategy works on every platform. For example, carousel ads on Facebook and Instagram drive up to 10x more traffic and have a 72% higher click-through rate. Adapt your content to each platform. For example, on LinkedIn, create content that stays on LinkedIn without a link back to your website. On Instagram, live video works well. Reason 2. Your content calendar needs an update. According to Sprout Social Index, 74% of consumers think 1 to 2 posts a day is ideal for brands. But many brands post 1 to 2 times a week. Post daily on every platform you are on to increase visibility. A good content calendar will help with this. Reason 3. You're not using a cross-channel approach. The average social user is active on 6 different platforms a day. So if you're advertising on just one channel, they may not see your brand. Advertise on multiple social platforms to increase visibility. Reason 4. Your content isn't engaging. Social media is a game of strategy. Planned mindfully. If your posts aren't catching fire, it may be because they aren't engaging. Post with intention and create content that is valuable to your audience. Reason 5. You're not being consistent. Inconsistent posting can lead to a lack of engagement and a decrease in followers. Be consistent with your posting schedule. Reason 6. You are not leveraging user-generated content. User-generated content is powerful because it's authentic and relatable. Leverage user-generated content to build trust and increase engagement. Reason 7. You're not using the right tools. There are many tools available to help you with your social media strategy. But if you are not using the right ones, it can be difficult to get engagement. Use the right tools to make your life easier and increase engagement. Social media is a game of strategy, planned mindfully. By addressing these common issues, you can increase engagement and drive growth. We hope you found this video helpful, and if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching.